The best collection of golfing advice available online. Golf is a sport of great patience and skill. The goal of golf is to put a small ball into a small hole with a variety of different golf clubs. Just the description of golf is enough to make some people turn and run away. Keep watching for a variety of hand-picked tips and tricks for improving your game. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you always keep an eye on your golf clubs while at the course. This is important because due to the value of many golf clubs, somebody else probably already has their eye on them and might take them at their first chance. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to consider taking lessons. This may benefit you greatly because a good teacher will be able to spot ways that you can improve your game and point out things that you might not have realized on your own. There is always room to improve and grow. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you never walk in the path of someone else's ball while on the green. This is important because it not only is considered rude, but it also may change the path that the ball takes on its way to the hole. If you try to be on plane at the top of your golf swing, you will be able to guarantee a solid ball strike as well as have much greater accuracy. Place your forearm so that it is parallel to your spine. Also make sure to rotate your shoulders into the back swing. Golf is a sport of skill, accuracy, and silence. The sport makes use of a perfect green terrain to allow players to navigate their balls into various holes. With a combination of effort and the advice in this video, you will become an expert golfer. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.